Canned air is officially dead, and today we are looking at a portable power tool that wants to blow away your entire cleaning routine. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are testing the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 air duster in all its glory. This tiny handheld turbofan promises an insane peak wind speed of over 87.5 meters per second and 270 grams of blowing pressure in a package that weighs only around 396 grams or 0.87 pound. Can this tiny gadget replace compressed air cans? And how does it hold up against heavy-duty power tool air cannons? Let us find out. Before we blast through our tests, a quick full disclosure update on today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by WOLFBOX, and they did send over the MegaFlow 200 to the channel for free in exchange for an honest, in-depth review. If you want to pick one up for yourself, there is an official affiliate link right down in the video description. Furthermore, if you want to check out any of the gear featured across our channel, you can find our complete storefront links in the description as well. Using those links gives a small kickback to support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you, which helps us keep making unbiased tech testing possible. Thank you so much for the support. Another exciting change for us is our website is officially live. You can find all of our video in written article formats and a curated deals section. With that said, let's get back to the review. Opening up the package, WOLFBOX includes everything you need for deep cleaning electronics, vehicles, and home gear. Inside the box, you get the MegaFlow 200 unit itself, a USB Type-C charging cable, 2 detail cleaning brushes, and 4 interchangeable quick connect nozzles. You get a flat nozzle for wide surface clearing, a round nozzle for target dusting, a long narrow nozzle for deep crevices inside PC cases, and an inflatable nozzle for camping mattresses and pool floats. Holding it in the hand, it feels surprisingly dense and well-balanced for weighing just 396 grams or 0.87 pounds. The design of the MegaFlow 200 focuses heavily on ergonomics and safety. The handle is made from a high-grade flame-retardant material, and the flat square base lets it stand upright securely on your workbench or desk without tipping over. On the front, you have a simple single-button control interface that cycles through 3 distinct power speed levels, along with battery status indicator lights. But the absolute best hardware feature has to be the removable, swappable battery design. Instead of throwing the whole tool away when the battery drains, you can pop in a spare battery pack to instantly double your runtime. let us take a quick look under the hood. The motor draws up to 252 watts of peak power, generating over 87.5 meters per second of air velocity and 270 grams of wind pressure. Power is supplied by two 3,000 milliamp-hour lithium-ion batteries, wired in parallel, delivering 22.2 watt-hours of total energy. Charging is handled via USB Type-C and takes roughly 2.5 to 3 hours from empty. Acoustics are rated at under 85 decibels, measured at around 24 centimeters. It packs serious engineering into a featherweight frame. Now for the real-world performance tests. For runtime, I rigged together a few 3D printed things to test real-world runtime. On the highest settings, it got around 10 minutes and 42 seconds of runtime. For real use case, we tested it inside a dusty desktop PC chassis, using the long, narrow nozzle. On level 3, it instantly stripped thick dust layers off radiator fins, cable channels, and graphics card backplates, without leaving a drop of cold liquid residue like canned air often does. A quick safety warning for community members cleaning PC fans. Always hold the fan blades stationary or stick to level 1 airflow. Spinning fans rapidly with compressed air can act as a generator and send electrical voltage into your motherboard. So unless you are absolutely sure your board is protected from reverse currents, hold those fan blades. We also tested it around the house, clearing dried leaves on door frames, cleaning HVAC vent grills, and blasting debris out of cloth surfaces. Now, how does this compare to a heavy-duty custom blower like the Kikaito Air Cannon, running on massive 24-volt DeWalt power tool batteries? If you need raw brute force to blast wet leaves off a driveway or clear snow off a truck, the Kikaito Cannon with a 24-volt power tool battery pushes massive volume. The runtime is also much longer depending on which batteries you have installed. However, that setup is extremely bulky, heavy, bottom-heavy to hold, and completely practical overkill for delicate indoor tasks. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 is built for agility and precision. At under a pound, it fits easily in a camera bag or glove box, uses standard USB Type-C charging, and won't blast sensitive circuit components across the room. It is the perfect compact companion when you don't want to lug around a heavy power tool battery. Running a 252-watt turbofan in a tiny shell gets noisy and draws power fast. Noise levels stay under 80 decibels at high speed. It produces a high-pitched turbine whine, but it is much quieter than a full-sized air compressor. Here's a comparison of the WOLFBOX and the Kikaito at full power. In terms of battery life, running at maximum level 3 draws heavy current and will exhaust the battery in about 10 minutes. To demonstrate this, I rigged together a few 3D printed things to test real-world runtime. On the highest settings, it got around 10 minutes and 42 seconds of runtime. Level 2 gives you 22 minutes of continuous runtime, while Level 1 low speed lasts up to 105 minutes. And because the battery is removable, swapping in a spare pack eliminates downtime entirely. Let us summarize the key takeaways. Let's break down the pros and cons of this duster, starting with where it really shines. First, it packs massive peak wind velocity and pressure into a lightweight body that weighs just 0.87 pounds. Second, because it is an electric blower, there is no liquid spray or freezing chemicals like you get with traditional disposable canned air. Third, it features a removable, swappable battery pack, which is fantastic for longer jobs when you need to swap in a fresh battery. Finally, you get a versatile set of 4 nozzles and a flame retardant safety handle for different cleaning scenarios. On the flip side, there are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. If you run it at level 3 maximum speed, the battery will drain in only 10 minutes of continuous use. Also, keep in mind that this is designed for dust and dry debris, so it is not meant for heavy wet mud or wet outdoor messes. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200 is an incredible upgrade for PC builders, camera operators, detailers, and homeowners wanting to ditch canned air forever. It delivers compact, cord-free cleaning power. While a power tool cannon like the Kikaito on DeWalt batteries wins for raw outdoor yard work, the WOLFBOX MF200 wins hands down for portable, everyday convenience and delicate electronic maintenance. Thank you so much for watching our hands-on review of the WOLFBOX MegaFlow 200. If this video helped you choose your next shop tool, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Are you still buying canned air, or have you made the switch to electric duster turbine? Let me know in the comments below. And with that, I will see you in the next one.